From the daring maneuvers to the unexpected challenges, this journey will keep you on the edge of your seat. Every moment becomes an unforgettable milestone on the path ahead. The cables suddenly snapped, sending a 440,000-pound metal piece plummeting from the crane. This scene was truly dangerous, as the incident could have caused significant damage and threatened the safety of everyone nearby. The technical team immediately sprang into action, without a second to lose, to prevent a disaster and salvage the situation. The massive Hitachi machine is stuck deep in the mud, its wheels firmly planted in the ground, relentlessly struggling to break free. The engine roars powerfully, attempting to generate enough force to overcome the challenge of nature, but the muck holds it back, like an ongoing battle. Have you ever seen a heavy-duty truck struggle in deep, endless mud? Follow this heart-pounding rescue, where mechanical power and the human spirit are pushed to their limits. If you're a fan of giant machines conquering every challenge, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Unbelievable. This excavator is like a mechanical spider, crawling across vertical walls with its specially designed arm. Equipped with cutting-edge technology and an industry-leading design, it shatters all limits, delivering power and flexibility beyond imagination. The fuel tank was running low, but luckily, diesel is hard to ignite. If not, a single spark could easily engulf the entire truck and half the trailer in flames. Even though the engine was still running, danger was closing in with every passing second. Unbelievable power from the Hitachi ZX690-7 LCH machine. With its massive engine and impressive breakthrough capability, it tackles excavation tasks like a storm. Each dig is fast and powerful, creating rapid progress and unbelievable efficiency. The Mincy Muck A91 4x4 Plus is showcasing impressive power as it conquers the thawing icy ground. Thanks to its flotation system and shatterproof glass features, this excavator moves effortlessly across harsh terrain. Maintaining both performance and safety in even the most extreme conditions. Oh my, this is absolutely breathtaking. The sight makes my heart race. The forklift operator forgot to lower the stabilizers, causing the machine to lose balance due to the excessive load. In an instant, the vehicle tipped forward, creating a dangerously intense situation.
No, I was like, oh, good.
The world's longest truck rolls majestically down the road, occupying the entire lane and creating breathtaking moments in the midst of traffic. Despite its immense weight and the challenging terrain, this heavy-duty machine continues to power forward, a testament to the pinnacle of engineering and extraordinary transport strength. Watching the massive Tu-154M navigate through the narrow streets of Litomyšl, you truly grasp the complexity of this special transport mission. However, with the help of heavy-duty transport machines, every challenge is overcome with remarkable ease and precision. When it comes to power and versatility in demolition, there is no rival to the Volvo EC480 EHR, a heavyweight warrior with 367 horsepower. Equipped with modern technology and flexible design, it conquers all terrains from high-rise buildings to large areas with outstanding performance. In a tight spot, the Cat D6N Bulldozer didn't wait for rescue. It freed itself from the deep ditch. Powered by its robust engine, the machine tirelessly tackled the muddy terrain, proving that true strength lies in its ability to overcome any challenge on its own. Like a steel beast on the construction site, the Caterpillar 385C excavator paired with the Atlas Copco HB 10,000 hydraulic hammer from Soterides Con Works delivers astonishing destructive power. They not only crush every obstacle, but also demonstrate absolute precision and efficiency, ensuring the progress and quality of large-scale projects. Have you ever witnessed the incredible power of the Caterpillar 795F? This super heavy dump truck doesn't just have an imposing appearance, it effortlessly conquers the harshest terrains. As it rolls through the construction site, the ground seems to tremble. The 795F isn't just a machine, it's a living symbol of strength, durability, and the pinnacle of technology in the heavy industry. Unbelievable. It feels like my heart stops every time I watch this video. Each passing second makes it impossible to look away from the screen. In a challenging project, the heavy cargo transport from the 2020 Max Gull ship at Dusseldorf is proving to be a tough task. While luxury yachts may glide along the Rhine River, navigating through the treacherous stretches requires the use of floating barges and low-deck vessels to ensure the absolute safety of the cargo. When power meets perfect engineering, the result is truly impressive. With 350 horsepower, the rock trencher tears through the earth on First Avenue, cutting through tough rock quickly and efficiently. This machine not only showcases outstanding power, but also delivers flawless precision, ensuring fast and safe project progress, no matter the terrain conditions. When the tension reaches its peak, true strength is put to the test. The heavy-duty cranes of the Brichetti roadside rescue team spring into action, powerfully lifting the stuck heavy vehicle off the Giuseppina Road. With superior strength and specialized design, they swiftly resolve the situation, restoring traffic safety. There's no doubt about this power. The Komatsu dump truck at Svappavaara is charging into its task of transporting massive loads through the challenging mining environment. With its relentless performance and exceptional payload capacity, this dump truck not only overcomes every challenge, but also completes the job impressively, quickly, and with absolute safety.